Can you please explain the shearing process and its advantages and disadvantages over the laser cutting?
Yeah, the shearing process is actually, it's not cutting at a time. It's not that both blades are parallel. When you force it, it just cut like this. But it is at angle. So upper blade is coming at an angle and it is coming like this. So it is cutting is going on from this end to this end. When the blade is clear the other end, the material is cut. So it is another way you can say that it's a progressive cutting.
Okay.
So progressive cutting, at a time certain area will be in contact. So that is the process of the shearing. Now I will explain the principle of shearing. This is a very simple principle of the shearing. When the upper blade comes down and both the blade, start cutting, the upper blade and the lower blade both will penetrate the material. That will penetrate the material up to the shear strength of the material. Any sheet metal will have its own shear strength. So both will penetrate up to the shear strength of the material. Now when both the blade, upper blade and lower blade, reach the shear strength of the material, the unpenetrated part, that will automatically fractured or teared. So it means that it is not 100% shearing. When you shear we are saying that this material is sheared, but it is never 100% sheared. It is sheared and part of it is teared. Now it depends upon the shear strength of the material. If the shear strength is more, it will penetrate more, and the unpenetrated area will be less. But if the shear strength is less, it will penetrate very less, and more unpenetrated area will just teared out. So that way it is continuously going on, and finally it will keep on going till the material is not fully cut and dropped. So that is the principle of the shearing machine. And you are asking something about advantage and disadvantage about the laser cutting. So shear cutting, when you are doing the cutting in the shear, it never generates the temperature. There is sheet is never getting heated up.
Okay.
So basically after the shearing, it will, the mechanical properties and the chemical properties of the material will remain the same because there is no heat is applied.
Okay.
And the disadvantage is it cut only straight way, or only by protector it can give only a angle cut, but it cannot give the different shapes. Whereas in the laser cut, it can give any shape. The disadvantage is that it gets heated up so much because it is cut by the laser. So heating is there. So whatever is cut part there, the age and all that, the material will lose its chemical and mechanical properties. So that is disadvantage is there, and advantage that it can cut in any shape. That is the advantage of the laser.